Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I will show you how to draw trousers using Repsketch. Repsketch is a free online vector design tool to create technical fashion sketches by repurposing existing designs. Let's get started. We'll sketch out a trouser using an existing design to expedite the process. So let's look for something like sweatpants. As you can see, Repsketch provides an extensive library of vector-ready designs contributed by a community of designers. Let's repurpose this women's sweatpant with drawstring design and click here to start editing the sketch right away. For this tutorial, I'm going to work on the front design of our trousers, so let's delete the back for now. Okay, so there are a few things in this design, like this waistband, that definitely won't work for our trousers. So let's remove it by ungrouping the entire design, selecting the waistband object, and removing it from here. Now, instead of drawing a new waistband from scratch, let's look over this library pane and see if we can find something we can repurpose. Repsketch also provides a library of design components that can be used in a design at any time. This waistband with belt looks good, so let's drop it into our workspace. We won't need the back part, so let's delete it. Adjust and resize this vector to match the trouser of the waistline. This looks good. Now, let's add colors to our waistband. To do that, we'll first click on this Edit Group button at the bottom. We'll start with the inside part of our waistband, so select it and head over to this Fill Color toolbar and apply any color of your choice. Similarly, I'll fill color on the waistband front, belt loops, belt, and buckle. To select multiple objects, just hold the Shift key and select the objects one by one and use the Color Fill tool again like this. A part of our belt seems to be hidden at the bottom, so let's bring it up by selecting the object layer and using this Bring to Top tool on our toolbar. Now we are done editing our waistband, so we'll click on Stop Editing Group to move on to our trouser panels. First, let's change their color to match with our waistband. So hold on a Shift key, select both panels, and apply color using the Color Fill toolbar. Looks good. Now let's add a crease line on both our front trouser panels and make the bottom hem pointed. To do so, we'll double-click on the trouser panel to activate nodes, and using the node handles wheel to get a pointed shape like this. And we'll do the same on the other seam line as well. Now, I'll draw the crease line on both panels using the Create and Edit Path tool on the left toolbar, starting from the waistband to the bottom hem. Great, now let's also draw out a fly J-stitch using the same Create and Edit Path tool. To give it a stitch effect, select and change the style to dotted under the stroke settings on the left. Duplicate this dotted J-stitch line to add another seam line parallel to it. Adjust size if required. To finish off, group all the design objects together, and there we have it. This is how you can create professional design sketches in minutes with Repsketch. Do check out our other video tutorials if you found this helpful, and use the comment section below for any questions or suggestions on what we should create next. Thanks.